Antibacterial soaps and products have been shown to impact the gut microbiome, which is the gut bacteria, in a negative way. Exposing the body to these antibacterial substances has led to the development of antibiotic resistance and may be a contributing factor to hormone disruption too. The overuse of these chemicals has even taken its toll on the environment, as when washed away down the sink, these chemicals enter our waterways, and even after treatment, antibacterial chemicals are still being found in waterways and streams all over the world. A common thought is that we need antibacterial chemicals to properly clean our hands, but this isn't necessarily true. Plain soap and water have been shown to be just as effective as antibacterial soaps without the risk. This homemade natural soap is not antibacterial, but still works just fine. Before starting, it's important to find a foaming hand soap dispenser, either by buying a bottle of natural foaming hand soap and reusing the bottle afterwards, asking a friend if you can use their finished soap dispenser, or simply buying one from the shops or online, as the foaming pump dispenser is what makes this soap light and foamy. To make this natural foaming hand soap, start by adding 1.5 cups of filtered water to a soap dispenser bottle. You want to add the water first, not the soap, otherwise it will create bubbles, and leave about 1 to 2 inches at the top. Distilled or boiled water is preferable for this recipe, but if you're going to use this soap within a few weeks, normal filtered water is fine. Next, add 2 tablespoons of liquid Castile soap, 1 teaspoon of either olive oil, argan oil, almond oil or jojoba oil. I used jojoba oil in this recipe, and the essential oils, which includes 15 drops of tea tree essential oil, 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, and 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. Once all the ingredients have been added, close the lid tightly and lightly swish the solution around to mix it. Before each use, gently swish the soap around to ensure the ingredients are no longer separated. Use this hand soap as you would any regular foaming soap. I also made travel-sized soap bottles to take with me when I'm out and about, as I've found that when I'm out hiking or at public restrooms, sometimes there isn't any soap, so it can be handy to have some readily available in my handbag or hiking bag. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on how to make a homemade hand soap. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. Please let me know if you do try this recipe out yourself and what you think. I'd love to know. I wish you a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. I'm sending you all my love, and I'll see you soon again.